Hello, dear friends. Often I am asked transformation of sentences. Often you face the question set transformation of sentences. How to transform sentences? It will be discussed today. First of all, we will learn remove to. Remove to. What is to and how to remove? And what will be the sentence after removal of two? All these have been answered here. Look at the sentence. I have written, it is too dark to go out. Remember this sentence, too. This is too, and remove two from this sentence. This sentence, it is a simple sentence. When we will remove these two, it will be a complex sentence, and these two, it is also adverb. Look at this sentence, remove the adverb. So when we will remove the adverb to from this sentence, it will become a negative sentence. At the same time, it will become a complex sentence, and there will be not and there will be so that. All these are the 5 kinds of sentences, but only one answer. So what is the answer? Look at the sentence. This is the answer. It is so dark that we cannot go out. So use of so and that. Already the sentence, the question, use so that. I have already used. This is so that, and at the same time not. It is so dark that we cannot. Use of not. Make it complex sentence. It is so dark that. Here is, there is a verb and subject. So it and is, again subject we and can go. This is the there are two subject and two verbs and the connector, that is that. So that in this way it has become a complex sentence. At the same time, we have transformed this sentence, affirmative sentence, to negative one. So negative sentence, and we have already removed to from this sentence, and after this we have the sentence, it is so dark that we cannot go out. Look at my second example. I have written on the board. Look at this one. This tea is too hot to take. Too hot. So I will remove these two. So the sentence, the answer will be, this tea is so hot that it cannot be taken. I have used here cannot be taken, that is I have used passive form. So this is also correct answer. You can also use passive form in your sentence. I have omitted to and I have used so that, and also it is complex sentence. In this way we can find the 5 answers, 5 questions and 5 answers, but the only one answer. Remember this. Okay, I will discuss more about removal of to in my next class. So welcome to my next class. So remember to subscribe the class, that is my class Kolkata tutorial. Thank you all.